Welcome back to DevOps Camp. In this video, I will be walking you throughout the installing of Anaconda Navigator on Windows 11. I have discussed about the Anaconda distribution in a separate video. You can view it from the above card, or the link in the description. Subscribe to DevOps Camp, like the video and share it with your friends to support the channel to create more educational content. First, open your favorite search engine. Then search, download Anaconda Navigator. Click on the Anaconda Navigator link. In this web page, you can find further details about Anaconda Navigator and its features. Now, click on Download Now to go to the Anaconda Navigator downloading page. If you want, you can provide your email address and continue to the next page if you want to receive updates regarding Anaconda in the meantime. I will click Skip Registration to continue. In this page, you can select your operating system and architecture. I will be clicking on Installer for Windows. It will start downloading the Anaconda Navigator setup. Now that the downloading is finished, open Downloads folder. Then run the Anaconda setup. The installation is fairly simple. Click Next to continue in this window. Then, click on I agree. Here, if you want to install Anaconda just for your account, you can select Just Me. I will be continuing with default option. Here, if you want to change the installation folder, you can do that. But it's recommended not to change it. If you want to use Python installation that comes with the Anaconda, you can check Register Anaconda 3 as my default Python option. It's not recommended to add Anaconda to path variable, as it can cause conflicts with other terminal applications. If you have already installed a Python version, it's better not to make Anaconda the default Python. You can then start the installation. Once the installation is completed, click Next. Then, click Next again. Let's uncheck both of the options, and click Finish. Then let's start Anaconda Navigator from the Start menu. Now, open the Start menu, and search Anaconda Navigator. Then click to open the Anaconda Navigator. Now, it will update the package indexes. Wait until the progress bar in the bottom finishes. You can continue without signing in, close the sign in window. If you get a Update Application window, you can click on Yes to keep up with the new versions and features. I will continue without updating. Now, this is the Anaconda Navigator graphical user interface. There are several pre-installed packages, as well as some packages you can install separately. I will discuss about these packages separately in future videos. You can even create virtual environments and install packages through the Anaconda Navigator. I will meet you in the next video of this series. Like the video and subscribe to DevOps Camp for more interesting content. Thank you for watching.